Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of crypto exchanges. If you've been in the crypto space for a while, you've probably heard of the big players, Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and OKX. These platforms are some of the largest in the market, and they offer a wide range of services for both new and experienced traders. But there's one exchange that's quickly gaining traction, and it could very well be the future of crypto trading, BYDFi. In this video, we'll compare BYDFi with these well-known exchanges and explore why it's becoming a go-to platform for many crypto enthusiasts. We'll also discuss how BYDFi is setting itself apart with its CEX plus DEX hybrid model, which brings a new level of innovation to the crypto space. So, whether you're new to crypto or an experienced trader looking for the next big thing, stick around, because this is one video you don't want to miss. Alright, let's kick things off by looking at BYDFi and comparing it to other major exchanges. We've got Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and OKX, all giants in the industry. But how does BYDFi measure up? Binance. While Binance is a leader in centralized exchange (CEX) services, it's using BNB chain to offer decentralized exchange access, but that feels like an add-on to its CEX dominance. The focus is still primarily on centralized services. Bybit. Bybit offers its Web3 wallet and native Bybit DX, but while it's building an integrated ecosystem, it's still trying to bridge the gap between centralized and decentralized features. How well is it blending both worlds? KuCoin. KuCoin has a Web3 portal, aiming to connect you to both CEX and DX experiences in one seamless flow. But does it truly bridge the gap, or is it just a middleman trying to keep up with the trend? OKX. OKX allows you to switch between CEX and DX via the OKX wallet, offering smooth integration. But does it go far enough to offer real value in a decentralized future? They're all moving toward decentralization, but here's the truth, most of them are just tacking it on. Web3 feels like a feature, not the foundation. Now, let's talk about BYDFi, which is taking things to the next level with its dual-engine model. So, what makes BYDFi different from the rest? BYDFi is embracing the future of crypto with a dual-engine model, CEX on the left hand, DX on the right hand. What does this mean? Let's break it down. CEX in the left hand. The centralized exchange side ensures that liquidity is high, and trading depth is deep. It's fast, secure, and perfect for traders who want the convenience and speed of centralized trading. DX in the right hand. On the other side, BYDFi offers an on-chain discovery and interaction platform. This is where the future of crypto lies, decentralized, trustless, and permissionless. With features like smart token discovery, tracking market hotspots, and capturing first-mover opportunities, BYDFi is positioning itself at the forefront of the Web3 movement. If you've watched my previous videos, you'll know I've already reviewed BYDFi and their MoonX platform, which has been a game-changer in the on-chain space. If you haven't seen those yet, don't worry, just click the link in the description and check them out after this video. Let's get into the why. Why should you make the switch to BYDFi? Well, let me explain. In April 2025, the global crypto industry saw two major events, Paris Blockchain Week, PBW 2025, and Dubai Token 2049. These weren't just conferences. They were landmarks for innovation and strategy in blockchain and crypto. And guess what? BYDFi made major waves at both. These events brought together 25,000 plus attendees, including the brightest minds and biggest players in the blockchain space. But what really set BYDFi apart was their bold moves. They weren't just participating, they were leading. At Token 2049, BYDFi showcased its dual-engine strategy, CEX in the left hand, DX in the right hand. This wasn't just a slogan, it was a statement. BYDFi is positioning itself as a global leader in Web3, offering a hybrid exchange that seamlessly integrates the benefits of both centralized and decentralized trading. BYDFi has successfully seized the new trend in the industry and transformed itself into the world's leading dual-engine exchange by launching MoonX, its on-chain trading platform. This move solidifies its CEX plus DX architecture, setting the stage for a hybrid model that meets the needs of both centralized and decentralized traders. And it doesn't stop there. BYDFi is making waves at the world's top blockchain events, showcasing its ambition to lead the future of Web3. As Vitalik Buterin, the founder of Ethereum, has famously stated, centralized exchanges will continue to play a role in onboarding new users and providing liquidity, but DXs are critical for trustless and permissionless access. Hybrid models that combine CX liquidity with DX security are a promising path. This statement couldn't be more on point when it comes to BYDFi. The CEX side offers the liquidity and user onboarding benefits of centralized platforms, while the DX side brings the security, transparency, and decentralization that traders are increasingly craving. Now, let's dive into one of the core pieces of BYDFi's strategy, MoonX, their on-chain trading platform and the ticket to the blockchain world. This phrase is central to understanding BYDFi's vision. DX is the centralized exchange's ticket to the on-chain world. What does that mean? Simply put, it means that DXs are no longer just a side option, they're the future. For centralized exchanges to thrive, they need to integrate with the decentralized ecosystem, reach new users, and capture on-chain traffic. BYDFi has fully embraced this idea, and MoonX is the perfect example of this forward-thinking strategy. MoonX isn't just another on-chain platform, it's designed to make decentralized trading as easy, efficient, and profitable as possible. Unlike traditional DXs that can be overwhelming for new users, MoonX provides a seamless and smart trading experience, built to appeal to both seasoned traders and newcomers. Here's what makes MoonX stand out. MoonX supports the trading of over 500,000 Memecoins and high-potential tokens across many of the top public chains like Solana and BNB Chain. This gives users a wide range of tokens to trade, whether they're looking for the latest meme trend or a high-potential investment. With intelligent filtering and smart money copy trading, MoonX makes it easy to track and mirror the best trades. It automatically identifies high-performing addresses, especially whales and top traders, so you can copy their strategies with just one click. For anyone looking to take the guesswork out of trading, this is a game changer. Thanks to its API interoperability with platforms like Pump.fun, MoonX helps users spot hot projects right when they launch. This means you can jump on opportunities before the crowd does, capturing those first-mover advantages that can make all the difference in the crypto market. MoonX integrates advanced risk control features, using multidimensional models to assess token security, ensuring you avoid bad contracts or risky tokens. On top of that, it optimizes transactions with a gas optimization algorithm and slippage control, ensuring smooth and cost-effective trades, even during peak market times. What BYDFi has accomplished with MoonX and its CX plus DX architecture is revolutionary. By integrating centralized exchange efficiency with decentralized exchange security, BYDFi has positioned itself as the leading dual-engine exchange, setting the stage for the future of crypto trading. In fact, BYDFi's recent moves have proven it's already ahead of the curve, capturing the key strategic opportunity of DX as the ticket for centralized exchanges to enter the chain. By combining these two worlds, BYDFi is leading the charge into the future of Web3 and blockchain trading. With this innovative approach, BYDFi is expected to maintain its leading position in the increasingly complex and competitive crypto market. It's not just keeping up with industry trends, it's shaping them. And as more users realize the power of BYDFi's hybrid model, expect this platform to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in crypto. So why wait? BYDFi is setting the standard with its CX plus DX hybrid model, offering you the best of both worlds: liquidity, security, and a whole new level of trading experience. MoonX is your ticket to join the next wave of crypto innovation, and it's all available today. Don't miss out on the future of crypto. Join BYDFi now and be part of the Web3 revolution. Click the link in the description box to get started. It's that simple. Why settle for anything less when you can be ahead of the game? Get in on the action with BYDFi and start trading smarter today. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insider tips and insights. See you in the next one, And happy trading,